Wiyaala, I didn't know Wiyaala. No. Now, Sunday, maybe say, me ma enyoma no short kakra. Nti mesa so abo ni video and say message or be ma bloggers, promoters, young presenters. In fact, the whole Ghana wow kaki can sem to say kuchupola me try. One year or the man no, you be see na we are me paying for so akase be say Wiyaala go too deep. E be so say ne or ne kan no enu hu ntia na ye be transfer nya chechire mu nti no DJ Richie say ni video na ready ayem bo ne yentie message Wiyaala or the man Ghanaian, in fact, media as well.
Hi everybody, my name is Wiyaala, aka the Lioness of Africa, and this message is going to industry players, especially those who do the blogging, criticizing, and whatever. Please, KMJ or JMJ, and Asamoah Baidu and all your whatever. Yes, whatever doesn't mean I'm being rude, but to everybody. If I don't really count in this industry, or if I don't count, and I have never been counted as part of this industry, then don't discuss me when you are talking about the showbiz or show business in Ghana. You can't always mention my name and turn around, say, oh, shout outs to Wiyaala, but she doesn't really count because she and her manager are just concentrating abroad, doing international stuff. Why wouldn't I concentrate there? Why wouldn't I do that? Why? And then the music industry is dead because Kaki, Ebony, and Miss V all of a sudden are no more doing music. You can always call them back, can't you? Since the rest of us, you think, are not controversial enough, we are not showing skin enough, we are not insulting each other enough, we are not attacking each other enough so that you can get something to write. And then you can take us to the slaughterhouse or take me to the slaughterhouse, divide me into pieces, say all kind of manner of things about me or us so that you can have something to talk about. You think some of us are idiots, eh? We should come and fool because we want to win Artist of the Year. And then what next? What do we get from that? What do we get? In Ghana, there are no royalties. We don't get fuck all. So, some of us might not be the most intelligent, but we do have brains to understand that when you do foolish songs, just because you want to get attention and win some few awards, you're actually fooling yourself. Or when you try to get involved in this kind of industry, that it doesn't really make sense. That's why some people come in, they realize what is going on, then they back off and just keep quiet. But please, when you are talking, try to encourage. Don't try to downplay another artist to make others feel good. And those of you trying to make Wiyaala feels like she hasn't arrived, or I have not arrived, or I will never arrive until I win maybe Artist of the Year, or I win more awards. Please, I am not here to win Artist of the Year because I am not an Artist of the Year kind of musician. I am an artist forever and ever and ever. Even when I'm dead, you will still hear my music in your grave. I don't know your problem, but if I don't really count, stop mentioning my name when you are discussing your showbiz things. Please keep me out. I'm all about positivity. Please, let those who want to do all that, do that. I respect everybody. The sky is so beautiful and filled up with so many stars, but there are still spaces for.
Hey, Wiyaala was Wiyaala one way there. Romantic Rastaman.
Lebra.
Near share a video, yeah, and then near some Wiyaala in Kofopine can't send me found. Also, no wide range anything.
And son, I'm a call Wiyaala video, no so. But say me can be betray Wonder Boy.
Okay.
We say your general definition. So when to me nyani.
Okay.
A bit out brand. We say nyom no to you know. It's an Afro pop song.
Okay.
Or so a rap. Tibia bibisa and we be a categories, you know, even online stores near the day.
Okay.
One define new category here. You don't even get people streaming it well. So I want him to take note of that so that when he's defining his music, he'll use the right definitions.
Okay.
When people are trying to search the song, they can get the right genre to search the song and then they can stream. It's an advice I'm also giving to him.
For
and send
okay.
me point also.
Okay.
Wiyaala made critical points.
Yeah, who say me bro for no.
Yeah. Wiyaala critical points me answer.
Okay.
One, royalties no.
Okay.
One. And two, topics are your entertainment programs no. Discuss it.
Okay.
And three, said they appreciate artists e krom ha no. And no ma video no no. I say me tilt ba ne side kakra.
Okay.
Me gina ne side say edwuma no me nso mi wo mu bi.
Okay.
And me nso no me ne artist ye edwuma nti minim said ye you have to be relevant on trend.
Okay.
Wo pese wonyomo no ekonenim wo Ghana ha se a wo se wo trendy. Wo ye enyomo pasen na wentimi anye bibi an trendy a enyomo ne enko. Wo pekwa wo be say sika all right.
Okay.
Wo diska ne share trending issues mu a ebe ma enyomo na akokwa asen. Wo diska no share relevant places to say be a radio airplay.
Okay.
TV airplay ni man. Why is it so? It's just because the negativity tone your music.
Ghana has it. Okay.
In terms of your identity, Ira, gone were those days our music were on storytelling. And yet, in Nigerians kwa eba have a share young yomo kwa de koi ebetano.
Okay.
And the oya story you beka say boring. Ewa tintin dodo. Ewa say oya nyuma e betimi di asa asankwa na de nyum. Content very important. Wiyaala has been known to be one of the few Ghanaian artists who is portraying Ghana, Awama Ghana, in the outside world, Say, share artists almost on Ghana here. Obi to say Atungo Simba, Kina Yusuba, Wiyaala ne Rocky Dawini Muni Adeno. Omubaha, they look a little bit irrelevant.
Okay.
They are more relevant and important one say Yawani ete. So you nominated artists be or Grammy. Near Shishano. Nay, never better your home. To say football car will be to say Arsenal player or GFA Cup.
Okay.
You start to say Buboni Dean at Ghana home. Bankebia, when you say achievement now go some local Ebia division 2 be an 3 be our honor. Obi enim.
Okay, so maybe say Wiyaala and small car supporting 100%.
See, 120%.
That's so 120%.
Yeah, I was say you start to say you give you relevant to content.
Okay.
Say if we start giving attention to content, you see that people like Wiyaala and some of the few artists feel say international they are selling us, they will start becoming relevant here.
Okay, nice one. Turn of God.
Bro.
You say actually,
I answer me to that.
Wiyaala the message. I'm confused. So why presenters, bloggers, and any other promoters and also. But Obra said you're currently not supporting.
You me that's it. I'm in chair. I shall for ne. TV for social media and TV.
Okay.
So I'm team catch it. Michelle. Wiyaala some from where I sit. Mihuno bear miensa.
Okay, breaking mommy.
Now, the mihun say, me sorry, no pa mihu answer suggested for you 30 minutes. Wiyaala, no, and the caption, tin be a boss, and one, nam say dia or new song bina or person or debatum.
Okay.
So there should be something controversial.
Okay.
After watching na, me heard the echoes. Two, Mr. Hun say okay. Obia yeni bibi na we de abufu na or de keka na dwen.
Yeah.
Enti de me share de me deduce from the whole thing is after watching me maintain numbia so just abufu keke ana say o de numbi beba because this was a very good year anka say oyewie na no de num follow ya. This week now our trend is because of just small piece here or the two but maintain numbia and I was like any kawanya cry because looking at Wiyaala from the reality show time no obi anim say on stage she is that the lioness type but after stage you know oye cool. Okay, so why this ebufu bebrebe?
Onim, I think say you try here discussion na me fit din no but na one we can be say na Mr. Keka say negativity no edoso e industry no na people were expecting sanka Wiyaala so betumi eyi no ho kakra but one panelist as more can say as too rigid no by winti no own to me enyi no ho no and ebema say ma ebufo ni aba ye say because on yi no nti ne ye ntene kan organa ha say
okay na nkasa min say sa ho side
Wiyaala oyi no ho
Wiyaala oyi
no kesi but no che say oyi ni ho na ni ho nam no eye ba we nti na
almost so
na nka bi ade no mo pa oyi ni ho ade no mo pa
me nti ase na okasa na wakade obi nso say sebio oye video bi na o tan sebi o kan we ni na fan ho because wa be ka na adwen Ghana say untimi nka wa adwen
well
na say dem bra kan no me as an artist manager no your friend is JMG asem no call kan no kwan I had a problem with it
but me ba
just like Wiyaala did or see anke also releasing you one who which means it's like if you want to do music you need to try and cause confusion, bring the song out before the song will do something good for you.
No, and sana me pacho. Then I make can say in our site CCA, you know, sana ya will be any say. Okay.
Is that the normal?
You know, that's like that
normal is becoming normal.
That shouldn't be the norm. What you say, but obi yes ah.
One yard because say also be a video na say we me hawa.
Eti dey not say o mu video mu. Okay.
And I for the only say ata o ye video start na we chire no. But jaliti no o ye video na we say we be count. Count dey one na ye we as be video.
I see.
Ko je nipa dey yeti akwa bi atire unim de betimi anything ka pinti enu na nko so mutimi de
ba ha de bi be si dia you but the American no I think say it was too harsh for me.
Me try no me say say na ye kika no say na we bia o hwe an o san so on fa we ala we dey say
na say
the all the ototo man is here
no say ofum na obi kire wa kwan a enye adeboni. Okay. To me, it was too harsh because this same industry people are digu almost they will hold you. And yes, maybe I will say, international appeal, you know, look out for anyhow. But at least, baby, Hano, your culture, some no, na broso. But only penny Casacra, so found some good Chinese animal. Still, I think it's still working. So if you are an artist, now you can't watch them, baby. You should hold that, you know, hold you like be constrained. And in Sanya Mani, how? And I make us me who bear two different aids. Namin say,
would you back with your mammy entrance because we have another.
For me, it was too harsh. Say one family promote idea, then there was no need.
Maybe I will be so advising the team say, it said your kind, what you say, okay. Say na Ghana for peno. Okay. Instead I will be advising say uni bibi. Yenye bibi ne it's possible. Say ye cookie. Ye ni na your game ni mu.
But imagine so ye we release a song or a video.
This when you did you
you see these days if you do these things too, now when release it goes back to some of your old songs. Okay. And when it goes to the old songs, streaming also pays. Okay. Well, you don't have to look at it from the Ebeba. Okay. Wait me show the AC we in the actual how would people stream it?
Yo, sister Wiyaala we the Sana and Pimphone can I sanka obey and to actually we na sanka odi video be and say you be bad to me so more but Sana we yeah adere we yeah am from yeah it sounds be video na sounds but this time my base in brain mo you be come as that's very cool. Me say also church we be say